So here we are. We're still going with this crazy ass storm. It is beautiful, man. It's starting to slow down a little bit, but it's windier than it was when it started. It is just, man, this is a beautiful little storm. It's a tiny little cell, which is why it was over so quick, but man, it was, wow, yeah. That was definitely an exciting little event for the evening. But, yeah, definitely, look at that. That is so beautiful. That is just great. Lightning all over the place. Look at that. Oh, that's great. Look at that, man. Wow. Sadly, I can't look straight up because I'm on the porch. But that is something else. Look at all that lightning. Man. That is just great. Took a bunch of time-lapse photos. Hopefully there'll be some good shots there. I tried to take some regular pictures, but I don't really think I got anything good. But this is definitely a beautiful storm. It's been a while since I've seen a good one like this. Definitely pretty. I wish you could see, well, you can probably hear the wind. I wish you could feel it. It's just like, I don't know, like, yes, that's my hand. Don't worry, it's not some apparition or something. Anyway, yeah, it's oh, shut up, neighbor dogs. It's awesome. And I'm probably looking right up my nose with this camera, but it's okay. Anyway. Yeah, I'm loving it. That lightning is great. Oh, yeah. That is the good shit. Look at that, man. It's all over the place. This camera can't really handle it, but look at that. Wow. So party. Look at that, man. That is a sight to behold. Yeah, you know, I'm not normally one to be out in nature very much, but when it comes to storms, you won't find me anywhere but right out in the thick of it. Love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, shut up. You're noisy and annoying. They bark at me every time I come outside. Yes, because I'm a horrible thing that needs to be barked at. Man. That is just great. Whoa, that was a good one. I know, this video's running long. I don't care. It's a storm, I don't care. That's cool. cold rain too. That's there's so much wind it can't help but be like really chilly rain. Every time it lands on me, it feels like ice is just plopping onto my arm. Ooh, that was a good one. Ooh, that was nice. Man, I wish this camera was better so it could really capture the intricacies of this storm. It is just beautiful. I know I'm moving around a lot, but I'm trying to catch it all. There's so much to see. Beautiful. Oh, that is so nice. So pretty. Go away, car. Shouldn't be driving in this anyway. Man. That is so beautiful. Here. There we go. It's a pity the power lines are in the way, but not much you can do about that out here in the country. Haha, I saw that. That was great. Freaking tons of cloud-to-cloud lightning. It's beautiful. Such a fireworks show. Nature's fireworks show. Something else. Beautiful. Every time, oh, there we go. Every time I turn, there's a strike where I'm not looking. It's hard to catch them. It's just great. Oh well, I think the storm is moving on. It's gone the direction I'm pointing, oddly enough. Or, well, helpfully enough, anyway. But it is gorgeous. Yeah, the wind's calmed down now. It's just a steady drizzle and all the light show. I know, probably not all that exciting for you guys, but it was here. I figured I'd share the enjoyment of nature. I don't know how well you can hear the rain and all that, but hopefully it picked it up. If I didn't talk over it too much. Alright, well, starting to get still enough for mosquitoes to start eating my face, so. Ooh, nice. Alright, a couple more seconds of the pretty, but after that, I gotta go inside. Mosquito bites I do not need. Look at that. Man. Alright. Bye-bye, everybody. Let's see, we'll wait for a nice send-off here. And come on. There we go. Later, everyone.